The Honor Magic8 series is quickly becoming one of the most talked about upcoming smartphone launches, and the latest leaks surrounding the Honor Magic8 Pro are creating serious buzz because this device is tipped to boast the most advanced Pro camera hump yet, setting itself apart in an industry where many Android flagships are leaning toward an iPhone-like design. But Honor seems determined to maintain its own identity and unique design language, and according to reliable tipsters, the Magic8 Pro won't follow the square, off-center camera hump trend being embraced by rivals like the OnePlus 15 and Oppo Find X9 Pro. Instead, it will continue the signature large circular camera housing seen on the Magic7 Pro, but with even more sophistication and technological upgrades. And one of the biggest highlights is the rumored inclusion of a top-end 200MP Periscope zoom lens, a feature designed to compete directly with rivals such as the Vivo X300 Pro, while also giving Honor an edge in photography innovation. And this periscope zoom is not just about raw megapixels, but also about incorporating enhanced focusing abilities and new supporting sensors that elevate the user's photography experience. And what makes this design even more intriguing is the possibility of a new direct time-of-flight, dTOF, sensor integrated into the camera hump, which would dramatically improve focusing speed, accuracy, and depth detection, making portrait shots sharper and low-light performance stronger. While another mysterious sensor is rumored to make its debut alongside the periscope and dTOF, though its function remains unknown for now, with speculation pointing toward being Honor's response to the color temperature sensors reportedly coming with Oppo and Vivo's latest flagships. And this competition-driven innovation makes the Magic8 Pro's camera system one of the most promising in the next-gen flagship lineup, with the potential to push smartphone photography into new territory. And if that wasn't enough, the flash module is also rumored to migrate to a new position within the massive circular glass camera housing, giving the entire rear panel a cleaner yet futuristic look, while still retaining that iconic Honor aesthetic. And even though Honor is innovating with sensors and optics, the brand seems to be playing it safe with color options, as leaks suggest that the Magic8 Pro may only be available in black and white at launch, albeit with a refined finish that adds a premium touch, which stands in contrast to the wider variety of colors seen in the Magic7 Pro lineup, such as breeze blue and lunar shadow gray. And this decision may signal Honor's desire to appeal to a more professional audience with a minimalist and elegant design language. But beyond the looks, the real talking point is performance and how the Magic8 Pro will stack up against rivals in terms of raw power, display, and AI-driven features, especially since Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8, Elite Gen 5 and MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 chipsets are about to dominate the Android flagship scene. And even though Honor hasn't confirmed which chip it will use, the Magic8 Pro is widely expected to feature Qualcomm's next-gen processor paired with advanced GPU optimizations, which would make it a powerhouse for gaming, multitasking, and AI applications. And when combined with that advanced 200MP Periscope zoom, the new sensors, and possible computational photography enhancements, the Honor Magic8 Pro could become one of the most balanced flagships in the 2026 smartphone lineup. And what's fascinating here is that while other brands like OnePlus and Oppo seem to be following design trends that mirror Apple's iPhone, Honor is deliberately choosing to stand apart, reinforcing its brand identity while still matching or even surpassing rivals in key technological areas. And this could be a smart move to attract users who are tired of iPhone-like clones and want something bold, distinct, and premium. And if the leaks from Digital Chat Station prove true, the Magic8 Pro could be the perfect blend of familiarity, with its round camera hump, and bold innovation with its mysterious new sensors and upgraded periscope capabilities. And looking back, Honor has always been known for its risk-taking approach in camera design. And this latest evolution seems to carry forward that legacy, while aligning with the growing demand for advanced photography features in premium devices. And though colorway restrictions might disappoint some fans who love the creative finishes of the Magic7 Pro, the fact remains that the black and white variants are said to have a nice new finish that adds a layer of sophistication and premium appeal. And perhaps Honor is leaving room to introduce limited edition finishes later in the product cycle. But in any case, the Honor Magic8 series, especially the Magic8 Pro, is shaping up to be a major contender in the 2026 flagship market, going toe-to-toe with heavyweights like Vivo's X300 Pro, Oppo's Find X9 Pro, and of course Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 series. And while global launch details remain unclear, Chinese markets are almost certain to be the first to get their hands on this beast of a phone, but international fans won't have to wait too long, as Honor has been expanding its reach aggressively in Europe and other regions. And with its combination of unique design, cutting-edge optics, and powerful internals, the Magic8 Pro could become one of the standout devices of the year. So as we look ahead to this exciting release, it's clear that Honor is not just competing, but truly redefining what a flagship camera phone should be. And that is exactly why the Honor Magic8 Pro deserves all the hype. So stay tuned for more updates and in-depth coverage here on TechVerse, your ultimate destination for everything tech.